Are you dreaming of a luxury car that not only screams elegance but also promises unmatched reliability? In 2025, the market is packed with high-end vehicles, but not all of them are worth your hard-earned cash. In this video, we'll break down the top 7 most reliable luxury cars that give you peace of mind with every mile. These models combine cutting-edge technology, timeless design, and the one thing that matters most, dependability that let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more car content every week. Let's dive in and find out which luxury beasts you can trust in 2025. Number 1. Lexus LS 500. When it comes to luxury and dependability, Lexus continues to lead the way, and the 2025 Lexus LS 500 is no exception. Built with Toyota's legendary engineering foundation, this full-size sedan delivers smooth performance, top-tier comfort, and bulletproof reliability. The LS 500 features a twin-turbocharged V6 engine that produces powerful acceleration, while its adaptive suspension ensures a silky ride on any terrain. Inside, the cabin screams opulence, hand-stitched leather, real wood trim, and an ultra-quiet interior. Where the Lexus LS 500 truly shines is in long-term ownership. With lower maintenance costs and fewer mechanical issues than most European counterparts, this car has become a go-to for those who want worry-free luxury. Advanced safety features, user-friendly infotainment, and outstanding customer satisfaction ratings add to its appeal. In short, if you want a full-size luxury car that will treat you well for years, the LS 500 is one of the smartest choices you can make in 2025. Number 2. Mercedes-Benz E-Class. The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is a perfect fusion of tradition and modern engineering. Known for its balance of luxury and performance, this mid-size executive sedan continues to impress with its smooth handling, plush interior, and highly advanced tech features. Whether you go for the E350 or the hybrid variant, the ride remains serene, refined, and confident on every turn. Mercedes has worked hard to improve its reliability over the years, and the latest E-Class reflects that. With robust drivetrain options, durable materials, and a reputation for improved electrical systems, this car delivers long-lasting performance. The interior feels like a private jet, offering heated seats, a fully digital cockpit, ambient lighting, and active noise cancellation. Mercedes' pre-safe and driver assistance systems further enhance safety, making it a great choice for both city commutes and long drives. If you're after a blend of elegance and trustworthiness, the E-Class checks all the boxes. Number 3. Genesis G90. South Korea's Genesis brand is turning heads in the luxury segment, and the 2025 G90 is its crown jewel. This flagship sedan rivals big names like BMW 7 Series and Audi A6, but with a better reliability track record and lower maintenance costs. Under the hood, it comes with a powerful V6 or optional twin-turbo V8, offering effortless acceleration with quiet confidence. What makes the G90 stand out is its craftsmanship and value. Inside, you get Nappa leather seats, real wood accents, and a premium audio experience that feels like a personal concert hall. Reliability-wise, Genesis has earned high praise for minimal mechanical issues, backed by one of the best warranties in the industry. From its smooth air suspension to the intuitive infotainment, every aspect of the G90 is designed for comfort and dependability. If you're looking for a luxury car that offers a elite experience without the traditional premium headaches, the G90 is your ticket. Number 4. Audi A6. The 2025 Audi A6 is where innovation meets long-lasting quality. This mid-size luxury sedan boasts Audi's renowned Quattro all-wheel drive system, making it ideal for all seasons and terrains. Powered by turbocharged 4-cylinder or 6-cylinder engines, it delivers a balanced mix of performance and fuel efficiency. The ride is exceptionally quiet, the handling precise, and the design futuristic both inside and out. Audi has significantly improved its reliability in recent years, and the A6 reflects that trend with fewer electronic issues and higher build quality. The cabin is filled with high-end materials and digital controls, offering a high-tech vibe without being overwhelming. Plus, the virtual cockpit and dual touchscreen layout make daily driving more enjoyable. For those who appreciate German engineering but want a car they can rely on, the Audi A6 is a worthy contender in 2025. Number 5. Acura TLX Type S. Sporty, reliable, and luxurious, the 2025 Acura TLX Type S blends it all beautifully. Designed with performance in mind, the Type S version comes with a turbocharged V6 engine and all-wheel drive, providing thrilling acceleration and precise control. But beyond speed, Acura's reliability is where it really shines. The TLX is built to last, with fewer recalls and long-term maintenance issues compared to many European rivals. Inside, the cabin feels premium with leather-trimmed seats, a digital display, and strong noise insulation. The infotainment system is responsive, and driver assistance features work flawlessly. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that delivers excitement without sacrificing dependability, the TLX Type S is hard to beat. Number 6. BMW 5 Series. The 2025 BMW 5 Series continues its reign as one of the most versatile and reliable executive sedans available. This year's model brings updated styling, improved tech features, and a renewed focus on longevity. Available in multiple trims including hybrid variants, the 5 Series combines powerful engines with refined handling. BMW has worked on improving its reliability standards, and recent models show significant improvements in drivetrain and electronics. The cabin is luxurious yet functional, with intuitive controls, soft touch materials, and impressive sound insulation. Advanced features like adaptive cruise control and parking assist make the driving experience smoother and safer. If you're looking for a well-balanced ride that offers sporty handling without high-maintenance headaches, the 5 Series should be high on your list. Number 7. Volvo S90. The 2025 Volvo S90 is a Scandinavian masterpiece that delivers more than just stylish design. Known for its focus on safety, Volvo also brings exceptional reliability to the table. The S90 offers a mild hybrid powertrain and plug-in hybrid variant, both tuned for smooth power delivery and efficient performance. Inside, the S90 features a minimalist, airy cabin with soft leather, open-pore wood, and a portrait-style infotainment screen. But where it truly excels is in ownership experience. Volvo's dedication to durable build quality, top-tier crash safety, and simplified tech make it a smart long-term investment. With strong safety ratings and solid mechanical consistency, the S90 gives you both peace of mind and driving pleasure in equal measure. There you have it, 7 of the most reliable luxury cars you can buy in 2025. These models go beyond flashy badges. They're built to last, drive beautifully, and offer peace of mind every mile of the journey. Whether you're seeking performance, comfort, or just pure elegance without reliability worries, these cars have got you covered. Which one would you trust with your dream drives? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and tap the bell for more car content every week.